Hi everyone, it's Brenda Quintana here, and our master bathroom renovation is finally done. And so I get to show you what this room looks like before we put all of our furniture back. And I think that's gonna give you the best possible idea of what all the finishes were and everything. So there's a lot of things that happened since my last video, so I'm gonna show you each of those. So let's get started. So over here, we have the closets, and let me just focus in on the bench here. I don't know when the last video was, but the bench got painted. I ordered a bench cushion. Now this bench cushion kind of is a grayish color. It can lean either towards beige or gray, depending on how you dress it up. We've got really dark bedroom furniture, so I wanted like a darker throw pillow, and then I use a lot of blue in my bedding, so I bought some throw cushions that have some blue, and then this little one here just kind of adds a little color to everything. And also, I don't know if you can see, but we got our roller shades today. They are just amazing. They're not like the roller shades of old. They're very easy to pull down, and they are supposed to be, we also have them over here. They are supposed to really help keep things dark, because they've got like a liner behind them so that they'll be like pretty dark, which is what I want. And these kind of, they're like a white color, but they've got a little bit of grayish in them, so to speak. So I just love them. We did them on all the bedroom windows in here, so they're just lovely. Now I want to show you the closet organizers. We haven't put clothes back in here yet, but we did double hanging and shelves, and then I did a little thing of hooks here so I can throw over like a sweatshirt or a robe or something really quick, so I don't have to hang it up on a hanger. Oh, we did these little rods here. I forget the name of them, but they are just to, if you want to pick out what you're going to wear the night before, you can have them on hangers out on this little rod, or if you're putting away laundry, it's really handy to have those. And then the drawers are just normal average drawers, and it's just nice to have drawers in your closet. And then over here, this is going to be my husband's, and he has basically the same thing in here. No, of course we did add light in here so that they are nice and bright too. He does wear ties sometimes, so we got him a little tie, pull-up tie rack, and then there's a little thing to hang belts. And so he kind of has the same setup for double hanging. He doesn't really have anything that's long hanging, so he's perfectly fine with just having short hanging. I, on the other hand, do have some long hanging stuff, not a lot, but so this little closet does have a place for me to put the long hanging that I do have. And I also built in a little tiny shelf area here, so that I can throw like shoes in there, any bags, toiletry bags, things like that. I wanted it a little bit more than just a long hanging closet, so that's why I have that built in there. It's a very tight closet, but it's gonna work for me, and I'm so happy to have that extra little space besides the other closet that I have. And then in here, of course, in here we did mini blinds, and these are the new blinds that you kind of lift up. They don't have strings anymore, and then you're supposed to, I won't do this because you're supposed to two-handed pull them down on either side. So they don't have the strings, which is nice for the bathroom. And these are, you can clean them a little bit more easily than roller blinds. And I think it's nice to be able to, flip them when you want privacy, but you still want a little bit of light. So that was the blinds that we put in the bathroom. And then in this closet here, we just went with shelves. So I'm gonna put some linens in here, a laundry hamper. I'm gonna plug my vacuum cleaner in here. So this is just like a handy little closet to have in here. And over on this side, we have shower doors. Yes, we were able to get our shower doors so early. So I'm super happy about that. And come over here. This is a slider because we don't have a lot of floor space to swing out into. So it's just lovely. I love this shower. I have not used it yet, so we'll get to use it very soon. Yeah, there it is. There's our bathroom. It's nice and light and bright, and I just love our little bench seat. You can sit here and look out into the neighborhood, and it's just gonna be just a really nice bedroom. This weekend we're going to put all the bedroom furniture back because our son's coming for Thanksgiving, and so I'm really looking forward to being back here and giving him his bedroom back, because right now most of our bedroom furniture is crammed into his bedroom and the guest bedroom. So thank you so much for watching all of these videos, and I hope you like how it turned out. I love how it turned out, so I guess that's the most important thing. And so thanks for sticking with me through all of this, and maybe watch some of my stamping videos now. Until my next renovation, take care everyone. Bye-bye.